Orbit Note hasn't been working well this year, so we are giving you this alternative. If you go to the Chrome Web Store and type in Adobe PDF, this option will come up. Click on that and select Add to Chrome. Choose Add Extension. And then you will see it get added, and then it will go away. Click on the puzzle piece. And I would first go here and choose Options. I would click Enable on that. And then I would click to allow it to access file URLs. Then I would go back up to the puzzle piece and pin it so that you see it there. So if we find a PDF to look at online, it opens up right away inside the extension that we just added. You can use this to do some markup. And then you can save it and download it and print. You don't need to sign in to do any of this. If we go to Google Drive and find a PDF, the best way to open it from here is to right-click, hover over Open With, and then Preview. And then if you click Print, now it's opened up in this. And again, you can save it and or download it. Another way to open it from your Google Drive is to double-click and then click Print. So again, we apologize that Orbit Note isn't working well and hope that you will use this tool to make opening and marking up PDFs easier for you.